Operating a water jet, laser, or plasma cutter often means exporting a DXF of the solid model and using whatever software came with the machine. If there's some kind of change to the model, you must repeat the process from the beginning, re-exporting and reprogramming. Fusion 360 offers integrated 2D contouring operations for water jet, laser, and plasma cutters. The CAD-rich environment means it is easy to set up and create toolpaths using the model itself. Advanced selection tools all but automate the contour selection process, so you aren't spending time clicking on every single edge. Fine control over lead-in and lead-out moves, tabs, and retract heights will give you the toolpath you want, and a powerful stock simulation verifies toolpaths before heading to the machine. The integration with Fusion 360 means toolpaths remain parametric to the model, so when there's a change to the model, updating toolpaths is as simple as regenerating them. This combination of integrated CAM with Fusion 360's sheet metal modeling makes collaboration easier than ever. All this and more in Fusion 360.